itatanim, yan din ang ating aanihin. I had the privilege na nandun ako sa Congress nung na-discover yung Malampaya. No? And sobra yung ups and downs. At alam niyo naman right now, nakafocus talaga yung taas ng presyo ng kuryente. Both in getting investors and also dun sa individual consumers. No? So kayo din sa media, you've been covering lahat ng foreign trips, lahat ng mga pagbisita ng investors dito. Marami silang sinasabi, di ba, yung policy na predictable, infrastructure, peace and order, power. Pakonti-konti, the past administrations have addressed many of those issues, di ba? Pero yung issue ng high cost of power lingers. So this hearing is not only about the prices of the high cost of energy or power, but it's also about